So I don't know if you've gotten the chance to read the complete book, but throughout the book, Sanya has mentioned how she started from a very simple life, and there were a lot of struggles. So tell us, what do you think is a person needs in life to be successful, like both of you are?
Struggle to bhai karna hai. I don't think anyone has made it without a struggle. So all the people who have not made it have never struggled. Most, most, most of them, they've not struggled as hard as the other person is. हमको सबको ऐसा लगता है कि we are really working really hard, कि बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं हम. लेकिन आपको ये पता नहीं है कि जो दूसरा है, जो अगला है, वो आपसे तीन गुना ज़्यादा मेहनत कर रहा है. So you always need to be working 10 times harder than what you actually think that you're working. Because सबको ऐसा होता है कि we're working really hard. अरे सुबह से उठता हूँ रात तक. But there's somebody else who's working so much harder.
I think, I just want to say that we've all struggled. I think whether you make it or you don't make it, we all struggle. Destiny हमारी होती है. And, by God's grace, we are here, we are in this position.
नहीं, मेरी तो destiny आपकी hard work है. मेरी destiny है.
We've all struggled, and I think that, but to be successful, the struggle and the obstacles, everything, like people think, I think that's the whole point, is that people think that it just comes and falls in your lap overnight. It doesn't happen like that, and we've all had our own struggles, and we still have our own struggles, even today after becoming successful.
मेरे साथ थोड़ा सा लैप में आके मेरी डेस्टिनी गिर गई. आपको रोज कितने 3.5-4 घंटे ज़्यादा?
I think सबके अलग अलग struggles होते हैं. मेरा struggle वो है, and
आपका struggle तो बहुत मेहनत है भाई. You can't reach this position if you're not in that field, if you're not focused, if you're not dedicated, if you don't make like billions of sacrifices, you can't reach this position. There's no way. And I think everyone will agree with me here. तो एक आपने मुझे एक बहुत अरसे पहले 1000 की आपने मुझे एक कहानी सुनाई थी कि आपके स्ट्रगल के बारे में. वो क्या है?
Basically, that's one of the things in the book. I don't know how many of you have.
We're not promoting the 1000 Gadi right now.
We are not. Yeah, we are definitely not promoting that. But one of the small instances is that क्योंकि मैं ज़्यादा बात नहीं करती about my struggles. I don't talk about the fact that we had financial issues. At earlier we came from a normal middle class family, and I think हमारे पास in this side of the world, they love rags to riches stories. But I've never tried to, say कि अच्छा of course we had food to eat, ऐसे नहीं था. लेकिन there's a small thing we used to do as a family.
वो काफी था.
खाना काफी था, 2 वक्त की रोटी थी. नहीं. But I think हम लोग क्या करते थे as a family, we used to travel in 1000 जो गाड़ी थी उस time पे, और उसको डीजल कर दिया हुआ था because that was the cheap. That's the story you're talking about, right? Yeah, usko, because at that time it was cheaper. And हम लोग चारों साथ में travel करते थे. मैं कुछ 8-9 साल की थी. I think my sister was like 2 years old, and the whole concept for that was that the minute I won or lost, we didn't have to spend another night in a hotel room and spend that money. We could just take the car and drive from Mumbai to sometimes Trivandrum, which used to take 24 hours. So there are stories in the book about that struggle that we go through. So that was my struggle. He had his struggles. We all have our struggles, and so I think that we all come from humble backgrounds, and that's the whole point. And the whole idea of me writing this book is that to say that you don't have to always come from a very privileged background to make it. You can come from a very humble background like I did myself, and of course there are sacrifices, but you can still make it.